Imagine being born completely buried. No fresh air, no sunlight, no comforting presence. But for one bird in Indonesia, the Malleo, this is life. Its mother lays a single egg in volcanic soil and walks away. For 80 days, the chick develops underground. It begins to dig, clawing through soil, fighting darkness, searching for light. It rises, fully feathered, fully formed. It flies instantly. Sometimes life buries you to break you, but to prepare you. You weren't buried, you were planted. Now rise, now fly.
Want more brain-boosting productivity videos like this? Subscribe to Productive Pulse and let's rebuild your focus together.